Okay, so now I'm going to show you the importance of using an if-error statement. So you can see here I've got a formula in cell B22, and it's actually exactly the same formula as in B27. But it doesn't like it in B27 cell because I haven't got anything in the match reference, the one it's matching with. You can see that I've got an empty cell here. I haven't put anything in. As soon as I put health, it gets rid of the error. But there are going to be some times when these are going to be empty because we don't have a to-do list that goes down this far. And what we want the cell to do is basically realise that if there is nothing in there, if there is an error, it's going to be blank. So really simply, we just do an equals if error first, do an open bracket, and then we just do a comma at the end and a close bracket. And what that does is it allows an error to happen, and it's just going to put a blank in if there is an error. So it just allows our sheet to know that if there is an error going on, you are going to put in a blank. You're not going to worry about it. You're just going to put in a blank. So if I just reload the sheet here, what you can now see is that where I still have that cell, because I've got if error, it doesn't give me an error code. It is just blank. And then I can go on and put in a category, and then it gives me the symbol. Thank you for joining this journey, all about how to use Google Sheets to make our to-do list. Keep joining for the next instalment.